2.2d. It says subtract integers, but I'm going to have you change something for me just like the last lesson. We're going to mark out subtract because it's too misleading, and we're going to add in the word combine. We're still going to combine integers. And when we combine integers, we want you to remember that plus is a gain, minus is a loss. And the other thing that we're going to say is never use double signs. Never use double signs. When the signs are different, you change it to one sign. What sign do you change it to? Everybody, you should know. Minus. And if the signs are the same, you change it to plus. So if the problem does not have a double sign on your homework today, you do not have to rewrite that problem. It's when there's double signs that I'm going to say write the problem correctly and also the answer. So when we are doing this today, let's look at these odds. If number 1 was on your homework, you would not have to write that problem down because there's no double sign there. You see that? What kind of indicates there's a double sign there anyway? What do you see there with it? Dylan, what's always there when there's double sign? Right, but which problems that have the double signs, how do you know there's double sign? What's always there in them? There's two signs side by side, but there's something else in it. Look at number 7. What's in number 7 that's not in number 1?
Oh, parentheses.
Parentheses are kind of the indicator. So basically, if the problem has parentheses, you need to rewrite it. Otherwise, you're good. You probably don't. So let's start with number 1. I said we wouldn't have to rewrite it. We have 7, but we lose 9. Olivia, what is that? If I have 7, but I lose 9, where would I end up? Negative what? No, I'm out 7. I'm at positive 7, but I have to go back 9. Negative 2. Negative 2. Okay, number 3 I would not have to rewrite. I'm already starting out $10 in the hole with that. And now I owe my friend $4 more. Eli, what would it be? Negative 14. Number 5 I would not have to rewrite. I'm in the hole 7, Daniel, and I'm losing 8 more. Where would I end up? Negative 15. Now I get along to number 7 and I'm like, okay, I see parentheses, there's a double sign. Okay, I'm going to have to rewrite this one. I'm not allowed to just try to figure it out. So I would rewrite this one by writing negative 20, and then when I see minus negative, two signs that are the same, what do I have to make that one sign? Kirsten. Addition. So it would be negative 20 plus 5. So, Kirsten, I'm in the hole 20, but I find 5. Where would I be? Negative 15. Negative 15. All right, number 9. Do I have to rewrite that one or not? Yes. So I'm going to write 25, and there's minus negative again. So they're the same, so it would become a... Is there somebody that hasn't gotten a ticket? Somebody that hasn't gotten a ticket? Macy? What sign am I going to write there? Plus 14. And then it's a great problem. 25 plus 14. I have 25 and I gain 14 more. What would I be at? Macy, what do you think? I have 25 and I'm gaining 14 more. I have $25 and I find 14 on the floor. How much money do I have? $5 plus 4, 39. 39. Okay, on number 11, do I have to rewrite number 11? No. So number 11, I have $15, but for some reason I owe $65 to my friend, Brennan. Regular 50? Negative 50. Negative 50. Okay, these at the bottom. Evaluate. What's evaluate mean? Evaluate means to solve it. So you got to solve it. And they also are going to tell you what the variables are worth. So M is negative 2, N is 10, P is 5. On number 13, M minus 6. So I'm going to use negative 2 minus 6. Now you'll have to rewrite these. Is there anybody? Caden up there in the corner. I'm in the hole 2 and I lose 6 more. What's it going to be? Negative 8. Okay. P minus negative 8 and P is 5. Now, I don't do minus negative. What sign am I going to put there? Somebody that hadn't gotten a ticket yet? Anybody out there that hasn't gotten a ticket yet? Minus negative. Nico, what sign's going to go there? Addition of 8. So look at that. I have 5 and I'm gaining 8 more. Where would I be? 13. And then finally, M minus N. So negative 2 minus 10. I'm in the hole 2, and I lose 10 more. Andrew. Okay, think about this. I'm in the hole $2, and now I owe my friend 10. Where am I going to be?
Negative 12.
Negative 12. Negative 12. Remember that gain and loss. Be careful with that. Try to avoid saying addition and subtraction because it's confusing. It messes things up. Sometimes you don't really do what you say you're going to do. If it's subtraction, sometimes you don't really do that. Questions?